Are you in the middle of learning how to play guitar, or can you already play? Then you already know how to play the ukulele. And who doesn't want to learn a new instrument with not much work? The ukulele has experienced a real burst in popularity over the last several years with the help of Israel, I'm not going to attempt his last name, in his song Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Vance Joy with his song Riptide, and Eddie Vedder with his album Ukulele Songs. If you're learning how to play the guitar or can already play, ukulele is an excellent choice to pick up because it's very similar in approach, kind of like the guitar's younger cousin. You know that the parts of the ukulele are the same as the parts of the guitar. You have the headstock, the tuning pegs, the nut, the neck, the fingerboard, the frets, the fret markings, the strings, the sound hole, the saddle, the bridge, the body, the shoulder, the waist, and the hip. In my bootcamp series, we also learned a mnemonic device to help us remember the string note names. Every apple does get bruised easily. Well, for the ukulele, it's a lot simpler because there's only 4 strings. Good cows eat apples. And you're getting used to how to actually hold a guitar. We hold the ukulele pretty much the same way. Instead of locking it in and holding it up with the crook of your arm, you're supporting it more with your forearm here. Playing chords on the ukulele is super simple and way easier than the guitar. You're actually only using like 1 or 2 fingers at a time. The C chord, you're taking your 3rd finger and putting it on the 3rd fret, bottom string or A string. And that's it. The F chord is super simple and only uses 2 fingers. Give me a peace sign. So take your 1st finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string. F chord. The A minor chord is only 1 finger, 2nd finger, 2nd fret, 4th string from the bottom. A minor. The G chord is the most tricky, but it's the same shape as the D chord on the guitar. It looks like this. And it's super easy to change chords on ukulele, especially when you start with the C chord on your 3rd finger. Then you just jump to F with these 2 fingers. Then A minor, you just take off your 1st finger. And then when you're going to G, just put your 1st finger down first, your 2nd finger down 2nd, and your 3rd finger down 3rd. And it'll get a lot faster with practice. Now you know 4 chords in the key of C, and you can play thousands of songs. And B minor can be a real pain when learning how to play the guitar. Check out this video for an easier way to play the chord. See you in the next one.